using I'm a photographer as well, so all my other videos I've been doing thus far have been taken either on my cell phone or on a Osmo action camera, which is, Osmo is producing pretty amazing results. But right now I'm using a Fuji X-D4 all set up. So I just want to see if this works. So I just want to do a quick review of a workshop of a Volkswagen and the 68 Mustang I'm working on. So I'm going to show you around there with this camera, just how it works. If this works, I will be posting it. So if you see this, it's worked quite well. There is a lot more going on with this other camera, so we'll see how it works. It's a lot heavier to use and everything else, but it should give a better result. Okay, so without further ado, I will turn you around and I'll show you around the workshop cars and the projects which are on the go right now as of, where are we, February something or other, midway through February, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we'll turn you around and we'll give you another documentary. Okay, first up is the Volkswagen here. Recently I bought a new, let me just go back here, new welding cart for my welder, which is a bit better than the other one, my homemade one I made a long time ago. So I'll show you inside. Let's put some light on here so I can show you the recent work I've done. So, as you can see, where are we? My finger's in the right place. That area there, but the autofocus is taking over. I just put a new plate on there, and you'll see in a video I did with the Osmo, I glued it on there, and this bit is now going to come off. Oh, where are we? There we go. Take the clamp off, and this should be now nice and secure. Let me just move this camera around. I'm hand holding it, so excuse the wobble. So this is all nice and secure. Rest of the engine bay is nearly ready now for painting. I've got a chair in the way here. I'm going to leave that in there because I'm going to be using that for the painting. I don't know if it will focus in there. But, I'm getting this prepped now, ready for doing an epoxy paint in there, which will be coming up in there next week as well. So I've been stripping some paint down. I can turn the light off now. There we go. Get this focusing up here. I've been stripping this paint off for painting. Turn back. Got this panel on ready for welding. But, like I said, I can't do that just yet. I need to put this quarter panel on, which is on the floor. A wheel arch panel on first. First thing, and I've started to do the rocker panel. As you see the new steel one in place. It's only just held, it's not even held in there. I've been cutting out and getting it ready for prepping it up for welding. So that's where I'm at with the Volkswagen. Now if I turn around now with the Mustang, and I've been stripping the paint off for this, back to bare metal. It's going to be a bare metal respray. This side, I go down the side here, do a side view. You see the new panel and the skin of Bondo for where the welding went. This is starting to blend in really nice. Interior is gutted. This is back to bare metal. Got a bit more to do. Actually, a lot more bare metal work to do. There's the original 6-cylinder. That's coming out. that is for sale. Go around here and you'll see the other panel. And it's quite dusty because a lot of dust comes off stripping it back. And I'll show you the tool I'm using. I'm going to give you a close-up, if I can, of the type of finish which is perfect for the epoxy. The interesting things is, yeah, you can see it. You can see the different bits here. That's where it came from, a Ford factory, where the roof panel joins the rear quarter section. So I'll go around, look at it from a different direction. It's actually quite shiny in the bare metal. Unfortunately, the trunk lid had a lot of Bondo in this area here. You can see it's actually quite deep. I'll come around another direction. If it's going to show this up, if I can just zoom in there. So it's quite deep Bondo, as you can see. So we've actually decided the amount of work to bring this one back to like a nice finish will take a lot of work, where we can buy a reproduction trunk lid for 200 Canadian dollars, which is not a bad deal. So this trunk lid is coming off. I'm going to throw this one away and put on a new trunk lid. I'll be ready. So that's where I am with the two cars in here. Very, very dusty. I have a new extraction fan going in hopefully this week. Come around here, just want to show you the tool or the abrasive wheel I use on an angle grinder to grind all the paint off. And it's working quite well. I've got a bunch of those. I got those on Amazon. You can see I got Pore 15 here. I got the filler. This is basically my workbench. And here is the Evercoat Maxim body adhesive, epoxy adhesive I use. And over here, just in there, is a fluid film I use for rust proofing. After I've done all the welding, all the panels will be, on both vehicles, will be treated with this to prevent any further rust. Well, I guess you can also see, let's go around. I may as well show you some of the engine components while I'm at it. These are the cylinder barrels. And quite grubby, but lucky enough, it looks worse than it is. Actually, no, that's just dust. So the actual condition of the bores aren't bad. So these will be cleaned up and refurbished. Cylinder heads are really mucky from all oil and dust, mouse droppings, I should say, that are in there. You can see where the mice store their food, and the other cylinder head is pretty much the same condition. Anyway, this is that. And over here is where I started stripping down the engine. The pistons are just hanging out. So I will be totally refurbishing this engine as well. Should be part of more videos as well. So I think that's going to be it for now. Thank you for watching this little workshop tour. Lots going on in here, this little small workshop. Have a view of a Mustang around. I walk around and see my workbenches. Do it from this angle here. There we go. You can see the Volkswagen bus and the Mustang side by side. Yes. what I'm working in right now. Thank you for watching so far. A lot more to come with these videos. Hope this one works out fine. A lot of new toys to play with. Thank you for watching. Please like, big thumbs up, and subscribe if you can. Thank you so far. Bye for now.